It's everything I dreamed it would be, which is a fantastic facility for young people, but led by our young people. It's absolutely incredible. I want to see their faces when they first turn up here and see what's on offer. So they can actually learn life skills, they can learn how to cook, they can learn how to budget, they can learn how to interact with people. Because IT doesn't teach you that anymore. We're all on our phones, we're all on our iPads, we're all on computers. What about social interaction? This will show 3,000 young people how to be part of a community.
It's been great to see so many people on site who are really committed to this project. Had a really great time showing everyone around. It's been great to see the young people being shown around the building as well.
I enjoyed it. It was good to see that what it once was a bit of paper to a massive building with facilities in. There's a lot of young people involved in that do need the way out, and I think the youth zone is something for that, because we have a girls' room that girls can talk about their problems, and obviously there'll be a boys section. So if the boys want to go to it, there'll be one-on-ones. So I think it's just going to help that massively and greatly.